Welcome. In this video we are going to learn subdomain Bruteforcer, that is SubBrute, which is information gathering tool in Linuxre. SubBrute is one of the most popular and accurate subdomain enumeration tools. It's a community-driven project and it uses OpenResolver as a proxy, so SubBrute doesn't send traffic to the domain's name servers. It's not an online tool, and you need to install this on your computer. You can use on Windows or Unix based OS, and installation is very easy. And this demonstration is based on CentOS or Linux. Here I am writing wget downloading commands. Let's open up terminal and download latest SubBrute tool. Paste wget downloading command as wget http github.com the rook subbrute achieve master.zip. Here you can see that downloading is started. Master.zip file is saved in root directory. Type ls. Here you can see that file name in red color, master.zip. Let's unzip the master.zip file. Type unzip space master.zip. Here you can see that file is unzipped. Type cd. Unzipped folder is subroot-master. Terminal directory is changed. Type ls. Here you can see that all the files and folders in subroot master directory. Let's run subroot.py python file. Type python space subroot.py. Here you can see that the basic usage of subroot tool. Subroot.py options target underscore domain subroot.py space -p target underscore domain. Let's scan domains for hackingtool.com. You can see that subdomain for hackingtool.com. Let's stop it. So type Ctrl+C. Now scan Google subdomains. Here you can see that subdomains for google.com. So that's it in this video on subdomain Bruteforcer, that is SubBrute, which is information gathering tool in Linuxre. Thank you for watching this video.